Today we're gonna draw a surprise. I'm not gonna tell anyone. So first you're gonna draw a head, an eye, then a mouth, then a hat.
A hat? Any kind of hat I want?
Well, a hat that looks like this.
Oh, interesting.
And you make this line right here.
Wait a
and
minute.
another line.
A hat like this, and then another one on top?
No. That's the other part of the hat.
And then what? A flower on top?
No, that's not a flower. It's a four-leaf clover.
Oh, well, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
I wonder if Grandma can guess what it is at some point. If she can figure it out, would you like that?
And I'll give you some hints.
Okay. So far, I do not know.
Why don't you keep going? I think she'll figure it out as you go. Tell us what you're doing now.
I'm gonna make a neck.
Can you tell us so we can hear on the camera?
We're making a neck now.
A neck?
That's the
Any
neck.
kind of neck I want?
That neck.
That neck.
Oh, okay. I would like that neck.
Okay.
Now you'll make a line like this. Then you'll do a line up.
Uh-huh.
Then down. Then this way.
Mm-hmm.
Then this way. Then this way. Then this way.
Oh,
then
am I
this
making,
way.
I'm making a body, arms and shoulders?
Yes.
Okay. You got it. Okay.
Scarlett, who's the special guest
Grandma.
artist that's... Hi, Grandma.
Hi. I'm happy to be here.
She just right.
I just arrived.
Now we're gonna make paint. But first we're gonna make the arm, the hands.
The hands? No fingers?
Well, the fingers are right there, but they're just like this.
Alright.
It's a pound, so they're like.
Oh, okay. You got it. Okay. That's a pound, I got it.
Then they're like so pants.
Pants?
Yeah,
So
like
the legs.
this.
Okay.
Then we make the feet. And color them in to make shoes.
Grandma, how's your drawing coming along?
Cool.
I'm a little proud.
Cute.
Cute? Okay, here's the feet. You want me to color in the feet?
Yeah. No, these are the shoes.
The shoes. So we're in black shoes.
But soon we're gonna have some green. So can you guess, Grandma?
No.
I'm gonna give you a hint.
No, keep going.
Alright.
As you keep adding stuff, she'll try and figure it out.
You're gonna make a line like this. We're making a four-leaf clover now. A
Okay.
bigger one.
Okay, I'm sort of thinking I might be guessing soon.
It's something you celebrate in March.
Something you celebrate in March. Well, I think my half birthday's in March.
But it's not that.
Is it your half birthday? And this guy is the half birthday guy?
No.
So this is not a drawing for Grandma's half birthday.
Or yours? Because we're both September. Oh, it's for Grandpa's half birthday. He's September.
No.
Who else is in September? Somebody
Sorry.
else.
Well, no, I don't
I think your cousin Mila. Maybe it's for her half birthday.
know. No.
Oh, okay.
It's something that you celebrate in March.
All right, I'll keep thinking. Then you make a four-leaf clover.
You do one line like this, then bumps.
How many bumps?
Whatever number, just 4 or whatever, 5.
Well, I think it says 4 leaves, so that would be 4.
What is a 5 leaf?
Or a 5-leaf clover. 1,
5 leaf
2,
cover?
3, 4. I'm gonna go 4.
Alright, I made 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Then you're gonna make a line like this.
I'm gonna make a line like that. Okay.
Like a plus.
Like a plus sign. Okay, you got it. You want to make my line thick like that?
Yes.
Okay.
If you want to.
Okay, I want to.
I think you're gonna guess what this is. It's really close.
Oh, okay. Something in March, and it's not he's not the half birthday guy.
It's not the half
No,
birthday.
he's not the happy half birthday guy. Something in March. It's not like a whole lot of things in March.
He's-
It's something to do with green?
Something to do with green.
Okay, let's keep drawing. Anything else I need to do?
And there's something, now we're gonna color.
Okay.
I'll use this green to do the shoulder. You can take a different green.
Okay, I'll take a different green.
I'll use sharpener.
Okay. Is this green?
No.
That says gray.
That's great. That's not even close to green.
Alright. How about this?
That's good.
You know what it says?
It says green.
And then you know what this says?
Mine says yellow green.
Oh, so yours is a little lighter than some yellow one. You know what that says?
Red.
No, spell V-E, or this is in Spanish.
Well, I know how to say that.
What?
Red.
No, it's not red. This is V-E-R-D.
I said red.
Oh, yeah. I don't know what that is. But this is green in Spanish. Verde. I didn't know that these also have the Spanish word.
I know. On crayons they do have it too.
Oh, look at that.
I know, it's broke.
All right, so what am I coloring?
Coloring on the whole body right here and then even there.
The whole body should be green?
Yes.
Let me see how many.
Except for the hands or
The hands that are doing the pound.
what? So
Okay.
not that
All right.
at all.
Something green. Well, you know, in March starts the beginning of spring.
No, but
That's not it. Oh, I'm thinking maybe because green and fall clover. Okay, I'll keep thinking.
you're so close.
I'm so close. Does this come at the beginning of March, the middle of March, or the end of March?
Middle.
The middle. It's like March 15, 16, 17, something like that. Could be March 17.
You're getting really close.
Am I like super close? Okay, well keep going.
I need
I
help
think
with
I'm almost
this.
there.
The yes, that's
What happened? Oh yeah. Let's see.
That's so sharp. I need to cover.
Well, I think it will work still. Oh, I got it out. Oh, look, the whole point came out. All right, that made to throw that away. Here, try that again.
Sharpener.
Sharpener.
Yeah. Get it like a bowling pin.
I love you. Okay.
I'm making sharpening and you can
That's an
start
interesting
off.
way.
You can start
I did. I
coloring the
started.
pants.
The pants are green too?
Yeah.
The sky's all green?
Yes. I think
Look,
you're
I need to
right.
sharpen mine too, but somehow it's working.
Alright, here we go.
Thank you.
This should be.
Scarlett, can you show us some beautiful colors here?
Oh, that's pretty. Look at mine.
Oh, you're the yellow green,
I
remember?
have yellow.
You want to switch in a minute? Daddy wanted to know if you could show us some other colors.
Red. Wait.
She's doing a great job. Keep it up, Scarlett.
Can we say yellow in Spanish again?
Well, yeah, no, green in Spanish?
No, yellow.
Well, yellow I don't have.
It has it
Amarillo.
right here. I have it right
Okay, the cameraman just said it. Amarillo.
here. Reload.
I forgot how to say it.
Amarillo.
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 The L's are silent.
All right, so my green is good.
My green
So
is.
my green guy in the middle of March, he's not the happy birthday guy. He's not happy spring guy.
Color in this too.
You want to switch now green so that my green's a little different? You want to make a switchy? You can have mine, I can have yours?
This one's. I like this one.
You like that better? Ah.
It's like a lot lighter.
Let's see, there's another green here. Let's see what this one is. This one is called Jade Green.
Choose jade green.
Well, let's see. We'll sharpen it and see what it looks like.
Can I see? Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, you like this?
Yeah, I like
Okay.
that. I don't want it.
Oh, here it is. I'm gonna make. Okay, I'm making my four-leaf clover jade green. By the end of the picture, I think I'm gonna guess.
You're so close.
So close.
And it's something you celebrate, but not a happy birthday. Oh, I need to make the sun in the cloud.
A sun in a cloud? Okay.
Now we're in the sun in the cloud.
Well, am I supposed to do his head? His hat?
No.
No. Okay. Look, I'm gonna borrow yours.
Hey.
I can't do his hat?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
You can do it if you want to.
Thank you.
Is that pretty green?
This is the yellow green. This is your green. I used all the greens.
You can make it a smiley face.
Now I'm making a sunshine. I'm back to okay. A smiley face sunshine.
Then a little nose.
A little nose, like you.
Then I'll make extra ones for hair. That's extra hair.
Extra hair.
That's the extra lines are for hair.
Do you know what the lines are called?
What?
Those are the rays of the sun.
Usually, you can, if you see a little gray spots on your picture, I like to make it a little thicker so you can really see.
Oh, okay. That's a good idea. Thank you for telling me. Are we gonna color in our sunshine?
Yeah.
Mine doesn't look like the sun. Mine looks like you know what I used to like to do with the sun? I'd go like this. Sometimes, did you say, did you say, ugh?
Mine is like a lot cuter. Look at mine.
Yeah. Okay. Notice I didn't say this to you.
So Scarlett, this is the cute one, and what is Grandma's?
What is mine?
I would. How about I'm A plus? You're
What?
B plus.
Oh, okay. I
And
would have
C
went.
plus.
How about A minus? Yours is better, and mine's just right below yours.
Okay,
All right.
A minus.
Okay. Okay. Now what?
Now
Are we coloring in?
coloring the sun. We can probably shade it with a light green. Like I would say.
You want the sun to be green?
A light green.
A light green.
Like you color it so lightly, like you.
Look at this one. This is called a lemon,
Lemon
yellow.
yellow.
Can I use that?
You can both use it.
Okay, so I'm gonna use that for the sun.
So I'm gonna wait for you. I'm gonna wait.
Okay.
Does this look cool?
Well, now,
Cute.
now mine's cute.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
So once I use the lemon yellow, it looks better.
now it looks. Now I'll give you a A plus. A plus.
I'm so proud of myself.
A plus.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss Scarlett.
You're welcome. A plus.
You're A plus plus.
I made one time on the Ryan video they wrote A minus and then it mattered it went A minus minus.
Yeah, that happened. Sometimes I think if there's a little leprechaun guy, it might be a rainbow. You want a rainbow too?
Oh yes, it's a leprechaun.
Is it a leprechaun?
It's St. Patrick's
It's St. Patrick's Day. I was gonna say that.
Grandma guessed it.
Yeah, that's just what I was thinking. Well, you were an excellent teacher, I have to tell you.
But now we're gonna make a rainbow.
Okay.
I'm gonna make the particle right here.
The pot of gold, exactly. Okay, so how do we do that?
Particle right here.
Wait a minute, my guy doesn't have ears. I feel bad for him.
Well, his ears are like our ears.
So you can't see them?
Yeah.
Can I give my guy a nose? I feel bad.
Tiny.
Tiny nose. Mm-hmm. Can little ears? Bothers me, doesn't it?
Now I make the rainbow.
Alright. Should I do that too?
Yeah. I think I have 2 seconds.
Are we gonna, yes. Are we gonna do the colors? I'm just gonna make it work.
Like this.
Hmm?
Like this. Like
Okay.
this. Now I'm gonna make the pot.
Pot of gold. Let's see how you make the pot. Okay.
Like that.
Uh-huh. With the handles on the side, is that what that is?
Yeah, and then I'll make the toys inside.
Oh, okay.
Some kid.
With some kid?
Yeah.
So what look
A kid is walking right here,
Uh-huh.
but it's over here.
So you can't see. Okay. And they're gonna come across this pot of gold of toys. Okay.
This
That would be a
is,
fun thing for a kid to find, right?
yeah.
Okay.
Imagine if we could reach the rainbow.
Alright, I'm making my pot like that.
Then you need to make it thicker, like this.
I mean to make a thicker rainbow? Well,
Well, if you have gray spots like I am,
should color in the gray spots.
Go really, really, really
Okay.
quick.
Okay, I'm trying, Mother.
Yeah.
All right. Here we go.
Here's a tip if you are a little kid. So if you're a little kid, then what?
Louder.
If you're a little kid, and
What's the tip?
the tip is if you're a little kid and you can't use permanent markers, you can use unpermanent markers like just like these.
Oh.
But if you're a big kid like I am, then you can use a permanent marker.
Okay, that's a good tip. So little kids can use a marker like this.
Yeah.
That's washable. And big kids can use the permanent marker. That's not washable. Yeah. Are we not using crayons or to make the rainbow colors, or are we? Okay.
Now we're gonna make a blue sky,
All right.
and you're gonna make a rainbow.
Well, should I should make a
Here's sky blue. This is sky blue.
Okay.
It's a little messed up, but I know
That's
it's
pretty.
I'm gonna sharpen it.
All right. So I have to wait for sky blue?
Yes.
Unless this is this good?
It's not sky blue. It's hard to
This
see,
is
but
turquoise, which is a pretty color. Okay, and I have to wait for sky blue?
Yeah.
I'll wait till you're done. I'll look at the other blues.
Always being patient.
Look, here's a green blue.
Ooh, that's pretty.
And here in Spanish, it's azul verde.
I know.
Azul is green, and verde is, no, actually it's backwards. Azul is blue, and verde is green. Oh, that is a gorgeous color, Scarlett.
I didn't know that verde is green.
Verde is green, yep.
I thought it was verde. I feel like verde is green
In Spanish.
in Spanish. What is it in French?
I don't know.
Wait. What is the last?
I don't
one
know
right
many
here?
things in French. Oh, you want me to read it?
Yeah, like the last one.
Why don't we work quickly towards completing this artistic
Okay.
adventure that we're having today?
I think that's good.
I need
Happy St. Patrick's Day to you.
Happy St. Patrick's Day. And Felix's birthday.
Yeah, oh, that's right. That's the big event in March for our family. Felix's first birthday, right?
He never even had a birthday. Smash cake.
I don't know if he's having a smash cake, but it's going to be his first birthday, right?
He
He's the cutest, right?
he's gonna be like,
He's not going to believe it. He's
He's
going to
like-
smash a cake?
he's gonna be like, who are everyone part of my family?
All right, so would you like to put a bow on this, finish up?
Want to say bye?
We're gonna finish up now. Bye
Thank you, Scarlett.
bye.